Here is the Customer Choice Beauty Award winner in 2016 for Best Innovation. Since its debut, less than a year, over 100,000 of these have been ordered. This is a 277-965. We do have this on auto delivery if you'd like to get it. Talk about makeup meltdown, all right? So for your long wear products, which is really what, you know, so many of us wear, right? And we love it because we can put it on in the morning and know with confidence that we're still looking good in the evening. But then you have to take it off, right? And sometimes those long wear products, boy, they're tricky. You need something that can gently, for your skin, melt down the long wear mascara, the 5 coats of it you put on, your long wear gel eyeliners, these foundations that last 12 hours or more, right? These waterproof products that really cling to our skin, but how do we release them? That's where this product comes into play.
Yes.
And like all of your IT products, a little goes a long way.
Yes.
So this tub lasts for quite a while.
Yes,
yeah.
And it is like heavenly. It's so here's the thing. Bye Bye Makeup Cleanser. It's really 3 things in one. It's your sulfate-free purifying cleanser, right? So whether you wear makeup or it's just the dirt and grime of the day, you don't wear makeup at all. This is going to cleanse your skin, and it's sulfate-free, meaning there's no harsh detergents in it that can dry your skin or strip your skin. It's also your instant makeup meltdown, instant makeup remover, and this is going to remove not only the makeup on your face. It's also ophthalmologist tested and clinically proven to remove even waterproof eye makeup. So you don't need a separate step. You can do this as your eye makeup remover. You're all over. The other thing that's in here is it's a skin softening serum concentrate. And here's what makes this different, because I used to use a liquid, right? My whole life. And so many of you guys use liquid cleansers and you're like, why is it a balm? I don't know about a balm. What's the deal with the balm? So this is a liquid, don't worry. But what we did is we took all the fillers out, things like sulfates, things like all of those, and we concentrated all the best ingredients into this, but it melts instantly. So let me show you the texture really quick, then we'll show you the technology. And by the way, it removes everything, everything. When you touch it, and then you touch it to your skin, instantly it melts. Because it's a solid serum concentrate. You're essentially cleansing with skincare. You see how it melts into a liquid. So if you're someone that loves a liquid, don't worry, it's gonna melt instantly. It's loaded with ceramides, peptides, collagen, hydrating hyaluronic acid. There's colloidal oatmeal, it's super soothing, turmeric, licorice, chamomile, antioxidants. The biggest thing about this, and then by the way, you can rinse it right off, you can wipe it right off, the way that your skin feels after. Never greasy, but ultra like baby soft. A lot of you guys use this as a beauty mask. It's so hydrating, but it's clinically proven to make your skin better after you cleanse. And that's what's huge and so different from a cleanser. So it's gonna give you clinically proven powerful results to your skin after you cleanse, and we have an animation that kind of shows you the technology. Doesn't it feel
well? I just wanted to show real quickly on my hand, because remember, I had the foundation on, right? I had the CC cream on, so it's the same color as my skin. So you know, did I really get it all cleaned off? Well, look. Yep. You didn't even know it was there, right? Because it was such a good color match. But then you can see, now look how smooth and supple, not greasy, right? Not shiny. So it's something that makes taking off that makeup. I mean, look at that. That was a lot I had on my hand. Got it all off with one simple swipe, which I think is fabulous. I love that you just pointed out too that it's skin tone. I forgot we have our, oh my gosh, I'm like so excited about all the products and shows. I'm like, because we have, Suzanne, that has, when you're removing skin tone makeup, you often can't see it still there. Right? And a lot of cleansers don't get it off. It ends up still being trapped in your pores. So I'll show you how this is so different from typical cleansers on Suzanne in a second. But basically, this is your hydrating, sulfate-free cleanser, your instant makeup remover, your skin softening serum concentrate, all in one. It's those 3 things in this one step. And again, whether you wear makeup or not, you cleanse with Bye Bye Makeup. It's infused with ceramides and peptides. There's collagen, antioxidants, hyaluronic acid. It's loaded with colloidal oatmeal and turmeric and lovely ingredients that sort of all blended together that work synergistically. And you know, right here, she has a lot of makeup on. Maybe you just wear a little bit of makeup, or it's just the dirt and grime of the day. It's all getting into your pores, often trapped into your pores, accentuates the look of fine lines and wrinkles. When you smooth on Bye Bye Makeup and then you wash it right off, or you don't even need water, you can pat it right off. It melts
every trace of makeup away. Even stubborn waterproof eye makeup, it's clinically proven to remove. And here's the powerful results after you cleanse. 100% saw a clinically measured increase in hydration 10 minutes after they cleansed. Their skin was more hydrated. 97% said it removed even their most stubborn long-wear makeup. 91% saw an improvement in the smoothness of their skin texture from a cleanser. It's also clinically proven to improve the appearance of your skin's evenness, radiance, and tone.
Can I use it with my Clarisonic?
I love it with Clarisonic.
Or use it with my leaf? Yeah,
yes,
right?
Yes, I love it with Clarisonic.
So,
that's like one of my favorite.
If you're a Clarisonic or a Sonic cleanser person, these work great. So what's this demo all about?
Okay, so I'm going to take one of the very best-selling cleansers in the entire market. It claims to be a deep cleanser, foundation, waterproof eye makeup, brow, cheek color. Okay, I'm going to take a whole lot of this guy, and I'm going to smooth this on. And I'm going to push and press and smear as hard as I can. You can see that foundation starting to melt, starting to move.
What about the rest of it?
Exactly, right? So I'm going to take a cloth. I'm just going to wipe this right off. And here's what's happening, right? A lot of times our foundations, the color of our skin, we can't tell most days. We still have eyeliner in our eyes. We still have makeup trapped in our pores. And we're wondering, why is my skin looking like it's older? Well, half the time, it's just from product left there that's still on your skin that you can't get rid of. And it can make our issues like fine lines and wrinkles look even worse. Okay, I'm going to take Bye Bye Makeup. You're gonna want to dive into it. You really just need a tiny bit. I'm gonna smooth this on. The first thing you're gonna see, Jill, just touching this, look at how it melts.
To dissolve.
Yeah, when Jill mentioned this is like makeup meltdown, I mean, so whether it's waterproof eye makeup, maybe it's just the dirt and grime of the day that you feel like is kind of getting trapped in your pores. No matter what it is, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna remove this, and you can see, literally, it gets it all off.
It's amazing.
The best part is how her skin feels.
Nice.
It feels like a baby.
Yeah, it's so great.
Baby soft with a cleanser. Bye Bye Makeup.
Listen, closing in on almost 1,000 of these being ordered, and I know it's always popular, and we're busy, and a little goes a long way. You can use it as your daily cleanser, your skincare cleanser, but it's also your cleanser that's a makeup remover too, which is great. 8277965. All right, we have to clean up that side.
I know.
I just can't take
Use
it.
the Bye Bye Makeup.
So I'm gonna clean her up here a little bit.
Melting.
I'm gonna melt this side right off.
I love this. Look how it's starting to melt.
That's always what I do when the demo's over.
Right?
Get the